Hello everybody, I am Giottone and in the next video I want to introduce the Switchbot Starter Pack Edition. This will be an unboxing video for smarter devices. In November 2021 at the OnePlus forum I had the opportunity to apply for this package as part of the Lab 2nd community program. As you can see, I had a chance to review these Switchbot devices. The Switchbot company, founded by former OnePlus employee Richard Mu. The company offers a variety of smart devices and gadgets. This package included 3 different devices. First, the Thermometer and Hygrometer. There's an adhesive pad, an opening tool, and 2 pieces of 3A batteries which are included in the package. The device, as the name mentions, is suitable for measuring temperature and humidity. In principle, -20 degrees or -4 Fahrenheit. This is the lowest operating temperature at which it can be functional. The device can also be used in baby rooms, refrigerators, wine cellars or irrigation tanks. There's a switch on the back that allows you to change the temperature format on the front panel to Fahrenheit or to Celsius. Long press on the switch allows you to connect to the Switchbot app. In connecting status, there is a blinking Bluetooth icon in the front panel. The Switchbot app can be downloaded from the Play Store or the App Store and can also be monitored and recorded the measured values with the Thermometer and Hygrometer Switchbot device. The second device, the Switchbot. In the Switchbot package, there is a, or in the Switchbot itself, there is a battery inside which is replaceable by the user. Before the first use, the protective film must be removed. The Switchbot app can be used in 2 different modes. There is a press mode. When, for example, you attach the boat next to the power button on of a computer or a coffee machine and press the button remotely with a command launched from a smartphone. And the other mode, this is the switch mode. In this mode you attach the boat to a wall switch and hook this nylon cord in the package to the periphery of the Switchbot and the adhesive sheet at the other end to the switch. These devices connect to the Switchbot app via Bluetooth. And second Switchbot, the package contains a Switchbot, the adhesive, and go on. The last device, the Hub Mini. This is the brain of the Switchbot ecosystem, and this Switchbot hub has a built-in Wi-Fi module. This is the control unit, as you can see on the packaging. It is mainly recommended for remote controls, air conditioners, remote controls, or TV remote controls. The Hub Mini also working with Alexa, Google Assistant, Siri, and other voice assistants. The Hub Mini does not have a removable battery, but a continuous power supply is required to operate. As you can see, the connector is the USB type micro. This applied adhesive sheet can even be attached to a wall. Switchbot devices can be integrated and operated in the Google Home app and compatible device using their own app. That was the unpacking, and thanks for watching.